All right. So I'm sure you are very particular. You have understood the diagram of the neuron nicely. You've understood all the structures starting from dendrites, the nucleus, the nacelles, granules inside which will be present in the dendrites and in the cell body. This cell body, it is also called cyton. It is also called soma. Soma means cell body. Okay. So this is also called soma. It is also called cyton, and it is going to have nucleus and all the other organelles we have seen. Dendrites are going to be the short processes from the cell body, whereas axon is going to be a long process which is going away from the cell body. दिस एक्सॉन की मेम्ब्रेन को हमने एक्सोलेमा बोला था. एक्सॉन के अंदर एक्सोप्लाज्म रहेगा जो कि साइटोप्लाज्म रहेगा इस न्यूरॉन का, एंड द एक्सॉन विल बी एंडिंग इन दीज टर्मिनल ब्रांचेस which are called axon terminals, and you will see a bulb like structure at the end of this axon which are called synaptic knobs or axon bulbs. All right, these structures, they will be called synaptic knobs or axon bulbs. The axon will be having axolemma. It is going to have myelin sheath. माइलिनेटेड न्यूरॉन्स रहेंगे तो एक्सॉन को सराउंडिंग माइलिन शीथ रहेगा. एक्सोलेमा के बाहर माइलिन शीथ रहेगी if the neuron is myelinated. And who is going to produce this myelin sheath? We have seen that the Schwann cells, they are going to produce these myelin sheaths. So the Schwann cells are going to be present in the neurilemma. This is the neurilemma which is going to have the Schwann cells, the nucleus of the Schwann cells and the cytoplasm of the Schwann cells. So this neurilemma, the Schwann cells over here are going to secrete myelin in myelinated nerve fibers, and we have also seen that these myelin sheaths, they are going to break in continuity. ये continuous नहीं रहेंगे, इनके बीच बीच में gaps रहेंगे, so that the outer environment, it will be in connection with the inner environment. Myelin sheath acts as an insulator, but ये जो gaps हैं, they are going to, these will be the places where the axon will be in communication with the extracellular fluid, with the extracellular environment. These gaps where the myelin sheath is not present is called nodes of Ranvier, we have seen, and the region of the axon in between the two nodes is called internode. All these are MCQs, all these terms will come in MCQs. So आपको confuse नहीं होना है. Nodes are the places where the myelin sheath is absent. Internode is the place where the myelin sheath is present. Okay, and it is the place between two nodes of Ranvier where the myelin sheath is present. That segment is called internode. All right. Now let us see where these neurons are present. जब हम एक nerve की बात करते हैं, when I'm speaking of a nerve, it's going to be many neurons together. It's going to be many neurons together. So see, if this is my spinal cord, we will speak that our central nervous system, it is made up of brain and spinal cord. All right. Spinal cord से जो spinal nerves निकलती है, I'm going to do that for an example over here. So if this is my spinal cord and one big spinal nerve is coming from here. This is my spinal nerve. So it's actually this big nerve. This is a spinal nerve. ये एक nerve है. What is this nerve made up of? This nerve is going to be made up of many neurons together. ये जो neurons हैं, ये जो neurofibrils हैं, ये present रहेंगे nerve के अंदर. Do you remember हमने देखा था कि एक skeletal muscle से जब एक bone से attach होके skeletal muscle निकल रहा है, so it's going to have bundles of muscle fibers. Similar is the case over here. This is a big nerve which is coming from the spinal nerve, so it's a spinal nerve. It is going to have bundles of neurons packed together. So ये मेरा spinal nerve है और ये देखो ये होंगे bundles जो इसके अंदर packed हैं. It's going to have bundles of nerves, bundles of neurons packed together. So all these are going to be the neurons. So you do this diagram with me, okay? I'm going slow so that you can do the diagram with me. It's going to have bundles of nerves. Apart from this, it will also have its arteries, its veins. So यहाँ पे blood vessels रहेंगे. You will have the veins, okay, and the arteries along with them. Blood vessels रहेंगे nerve को supply करने वाले. And this one big nerve, it is going to be covered by a connective tissue sheath, जिसको हम बोलेंगे epineuриयम. Epineuरियम. Do you remember epimysium when we had seen locomotion? Okay, so this is going to be epineuरियम. This epineuरियम is the outer connective tissue sheath. It is the outer connective tissue covering of this nerve, complete nerve fiber. और ये एक nerve में क्या है? ये एक nerve में है bundles of muscle fibers. See, this is my one bundle, this is second bundle, this is third bundle. ऐसे bundles हैं इस nerve के अंदर. This is my nerve. Inside the nerve you have bundles of nerve fibers. Bundles of nerve fibers. If you take out one bundle from here, if I take out one bundle from here, so see, this is one bundle. Again, it's going to have the neurons, that is the nerve fibers, neurofibrils. See, and these bundles, जैसे muscle में था, these bundles, they are called fasciculus. These bundles, they are called fasciculus or fascicles. Fascicles are the bundles of muscle fiber, bundles of nerve fibers which are present inside a big nerve. So ये पूरे terms आपको लिखने हैं. Epineuरियम is the connective tissue sheath. It is the covering of the complete nerve. Then inside the nerve, you are going to have bundles of nerve fibers. So एक bundle को हम fascicle बोलते हैं. All these are fascicles which are going to have nerve fibers. एक fascicle की covering को पेरीन्यूरियम बोलते हैं. पेरीन्यूरियम. एक fascicle की covering को पेरीन्यूरियम बोलते हैं. So these are my bundles of nerve fibers. It is going to have a connective tissue sheath which is the perineurium. So ये epimysium हो गया, बाहर का epimysium हो गया, ये अंदर का perineurium हो गया. Sorry, epineuरियम, not mysium. Mysium will be जब muscle में रहेगा. तो ये बाहर का epineuरियम हो गया, अंदर का bundle की covering. Now this is one bundle. ये एक bundle की covering है perineurium. एक bundle की covering है perineurium. And then this is going to have nerve fibers. It is going to have neurons. So when I take out now one neuron from here, if I take out one neuron from here, so this is the axon. This is the axon. Okay. This I'm taking out the axon from here, and it's going to have these terminal branches. So when I'm drawing this type of axon, it is non-myelinated. देखो, ये मैंने सिर्फ axon बनाया है. There is no myelin sheath around it. Okay, and this is my axon, which is myelinated one. I'm going to do it a myelinated one. So अगर मुझे इसके around myelin sheath बनाना है, so this is going to be my myelin sheath in section. All right, and I'm going to have the neurilemma and the Schwann cells. So this is going to be my neurilemma with the Schwann cells. My neurilemma with the Schwann cells. Schwann cell nucleus is going to be present. So this is going to be the neurilemma with the Schwann cells. This is going to be the neurilemma with the Schwann cells. So ये हो गया myelinated neuron, ये हो गया unmyelinated neuron, where the myelin sheath is absent, but Schwann cells will be present. Myelin sheath is absent, but Schwann cells present रहेंगे. I will mark this statement with you in the NCERT textbook that axon myelinated हो या non-myelinated हो, Schwann cells are going to be present. The only difference is that in the myelinated neurons, the Schwann cells, they secrete myelin sheath, and in the non-myelinated neurons, the Schwann cells, they do not secrete the myelin sheath. Myelin sheath acts as an insulator. ये बाहर के environment से exoplasm को insulation provide करता है. Alright, we had seen this yesterday that if we go from inner to outer, you are going to have the axolemma. you're going to have the myelin sheath, you're going to have the neurilemma. Okay, axolemma, उसके बाद myelin sheath, उसके बाद you're going to have the neurilemma. All right. So now each axon is also going to be covered by a covering. ये एक nerve fiber जो यहाँ से निकल रहा है ना, वो भी covered रहेगा by what we call is endoneurium. So endoneurium is going to be the covering. I'll do it with a different color. ये एक axon जो बाहर निकल रहा है, it's going to be covered by endoneurium. It's going to be covered by endoneurium. Endoneurium के अंदर जो रहेगा वो रहेगा myelinated. It can be non-myelinated. अब मसल के टाइम पे I had told you कि आपने एक मैच बॉक्सेस का पूरा पैकेट देखा है. That complete पैकेट उसको कंसिडर करो, वो एक बड़ी नर्व है. उसके सो एक मैचस्टिक का बड़ा पैकेट उसको कंसिडर करो एक बड़ी नर्व है. उसके अंदर छोटे छोटे मैचस्टिक के डब्बे रहते हैं. सो वो हो जाएंगे बंडल्स. ये हो जाएंगे बंडल्स. राइट. सो बहुत सारे बंडल्स रहेंगे और वो एक मैचस्टिक के बॉक्स के अंदर मैचस्टिक्स रहेगी. तो वो जो मैचस्टिक्स हो जाएगी वो हो जाएंगे आपके नर्व फाइबर्स, आपके न्यूरॉन्स. All right, so that ways you have to imagine. एक बड़ा पैकेट, उसके अंदर बहुत सारे मैच बॉक्सेस, तो वो हो गए बंडल्स. मैच बॉक्सेस के अंदर बहुत सारी मैच स्टिक्स. तो ये बहुत बड़ी नर्व है जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से निकल रही है. इट्स कॉल्ड अ स्पाइनल नर्व. वी विल सी दिस लेटर. इसकी कवरिंग इज एपिन्यूरियम. एपिन्यूरियम के बाद नर्व के अंदर अगर हम क्रॉस सेक्शन में देखेंगे तो बहुत सारे बंडल्स मिलेंगे. एंड द नर्व इज गोइंग टू हैव इट्स ओन ब्लड सप्लाई एंड दैट इज द आर्टरीज एंड द वेन्स. सो ये बंडल्स की कवरिंग को बोलते हैं पेरीन्यूरियम एंड द बंडल्स आर कॉल्ड fascicles. These bundles, now each individual bundle is going to have many neurons. This individual bundle is going to have many neurons. अब यहाँ पे रहने वाले न्यूरॉन्स या तो माइलिनेटेड हो सकते हैं या तो नॉन माइलिनेटेड रह सकते हैं. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ देम विल बी माइलिनेटेड. वी कॉल द न्यूरॉन्स माइलिनेटेड व्हेन देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइलिन शीथ. Who is secreting the myelin sheath? Schwann cells are secreting the myelin sheath. All right. So यहाँ पे present रहेंगे myelinated neurons and non-myelinated neurons. But ये एक nerve fiber जो निकलेगा यहाँ से उसकी भी covering रहेगी. That will also have a connective tissue covering around itself, and that connective tissue covering is the endoneurium. Each nerve fiber which is coming out will have a connective tissue coat around itself. That will be the endoneurium. So now help me write down the covering of this neuron from outer to inner. Help me write down the covering of this neuron from outer to inner. And you also write it down. You also write it down and help me also write it down. So from outer to inner, see, the most outside one will be the epineurium. This will be followed by the perineurium. So you have the perineurium. This will be followed by the endoneurium. This will be followed by the endoneurium. For all your MCQs, you have to remember epineurium is the connective tissue covering, is the coating for the complete nerve, which is going to have bundles of nerve fibers. These bundles are going to have a covering which is perineurium. These bundles are called fascicles. ये bundles में बहुत सारे neurons रहेंगे, बहुत सारे nerve fibers रहेंगे. So these neurons, they are going to come out from here. इनकी individual covering होगी endoneurium. Behind, now below the endoneurium, you are going to have the neurilemma, and you're going to have the myelin sheath if the neuron is myelinated, and below the myelin sheath you are going to have the axolemma. Axolemma के अंदर रहेगा axoplasm. So see, below the endoneurium you will have If it is a myelinated neuron, then you will have the neurilemma, and below the neurilemma you will have the myelin sheath. Below the myelin sheath you will have the axolemma. देखो अभी आपको ये पूरे स्ट्रक्चर्स अच्छे से समझ में आ रहे हैं क्या? What is epineurium? What is perineurium? What is endoneurium? What is neurilemma? What is myelin sheath? And what is axolemma? All this is going to be what is covering your neuron from the extreme outermost to the innermost. And then if you have to go from inner to outer, you will go from here. You will go from below if you have to go from inner to outer. So point is not in memorizing these things. Point is in understanding. Are you understanding the sequence? Are you understanding कि क्या हो रहा है? All right. And these axons, they are going to end in axonic terminals. ये हमने देखा है. So this is what is our focus in today's lecture, that you understand the complete nerve, the bundles of nerve fibers, and then the individual nerves and their connective tissue coating. We will see some pictures जिससे ये और concept clear हो जाएगा. I'll show you some pictures with which this concept will be more clear to all of you.